Mainit ang social media ngayon ng mga Philippine Basketball Association fans. Hindi lang dahil sa game, dahil po sa nangyaring confrontation ni Coach Yeng Giao at ni Gov Al Francis Chua ng Barangay Ginebra. Tabla na po ang serye at mukhang mas iinit pa ang bakbakan sa loob ng basketball court kasi pati sa labas. Ano ba talaga nangyari? Meron akong video na first time ko nakita. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo na to. Papakita ko na ito ha. Courtesy of Boss Jeff. At magbibigay tayo ng ating sariling point of view regarding dito kasi sa tingin ko dapat meron ding sabihin ang PBA. Ito po yung nangyari, no? Sinisindak mo ang referee. Yan ang sinabi ni Coach Yeng Giao. Sinigaw niya doon sa kabilang kampo. Kanino niya ba sinigaw? Ikaw lang ang kumakausap dyan. Ito po ay video ni Boss Jeff, no? At ito ba ay tama yung ginagawa ni Coach Yeng Giao? Yan din ang sagot. Kasi noong una, kala ko si Coach Al Francis Chua lang ang nagmura. Pero itong bagong ebidensya. Ulul ka rin. Yan po yung nangyari. Ayan na. Boss Jeff, salamat ha. At ito na nagkakasa. Halatang alpha male pa rin. Medyo may pa.
Ito laban pati mga coach nag-aaway.
Okay.
Si Chua at si Coach Yeng nagmumuran.
Ito yung nangyari. Tapos maghaharap pa pala, no? Ayan parang medyo ayan ano dalawang alpha okay, dalawang alpha. Ano ba ang nangyari dito? Ito yung opinion ko at gusto ko marinig yung opinion nyo. Let me know kung tama ba ako dito sa sasabihin ko o hindi.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Hey, mainit ang bakbakan ni Coach Yeng Giao at saka ni Al Francis Chua kasing init ng laro at sa tingin ko mas iinit pa yung game number 5 at first time ko nakita yon. Nung una, syempre nakita lang na-highlight lang siya doon sa live stream yung post-game. After nung laro, nagpang-abot sila sa gitna. Akala ko okay. Doon nakita natin parang mainit ang ulo. Yung pala, first quarter pa lang nagkakainitan na. At sa ating po nabasa, before we give our own opinion, ito ay ayaw lamang ni Coach Yeng Giao na kinakausap niya yung mga referee kasi nai-intimidate, parang natatakot. At sa tingin ko may punto naman si Coach Yeng Giao. Hindi ko lang alam kung sa inyo ay mali na para sigawan niya si Governor sa harap ng mga tao, si Al Francis Chua. That's up to you. Hindi natin pag-usapan kung sino tama at mali. It's up to you to decide. I'm gonna tell you the story as far as I know. So, yun lang naman ang gusto niyo sabihin, no? Huwag mo kausapin. Hindi naman namin kinakausap. And that's directed to Al Francis Chua. Ang problema lang si Al Francis Chua, hindi rin nakapigil. At yun, nagmura siya ng ulol, naulol din tuloy siya ni Coach Yeng Giao. And that's what happened. And I think that's the off thing, no? Yun yung sa tingin kong mali doon. Tayo kasi sanay tayo sa mga trash talkan, sanay tayo sa nagpapalitan ng mga suhestyon, nagdedebate. That's not a problem. And I think with regards to what happened in the game, talagang medyo mainit talaga yung laruan kasi naging tabla na and for Coach Yeng Gao's perspective, bago ko bigay perspective ko, syempre nga naman, may make sense din naman no? Kasi syempre, yung governors, iba yung powers niyan no? Pag ikaw ba parang sila yung isa sa bosses, hindi nga commissioners Sabi nga sa akin ni Homer ang commissioner sumusunod lang sa mga board of governors. Basta 2/3 of the vote silang masusunod. Syempre, kung ikaw referee, parang sinakausap ka ng boss mo, mahirap 'yun. Tama din naman, di ba? And I understand ko rin naman si Al Francis Chua is also just trying to protect his team. That's his job. So both sides have their own kumbaga opinion on this. And at the same time, syempre, yung mga fans, meron din sarili na silang biases. Kung mga Barangay Ginebra ka, mga rain or shine ka, I try to be as in the middle as much as I can. But certainly, this is not a good look for the PBA. And I think the PBA should do something about this. Well, siguro, they are already doing something about this. Baka kinakausap na nila yung dalawang tao, si Coach Engao at saka si Al Francis, dahil hindi na magandang tingnan eh. If the players get reprimanded, kung sila yung nagmumura, kung sila yung napapaaway, yung referee pag nagkakamali nare-reprimand, I don't think what happened, especially Murahan, was right. So whether coaches sila or management sila, it's also unbecoming already. Yung Murahan in front of the fans, tapos nakuha pa ng video, it does not really reflect good not only on the person, not only on the team, pati sa liga. And again, we understand passion. Lalo na sa akin. I mean, I thrive on passion and, I want both teams to give it all they got and obviously yung emotion nandiyan dyan eh. So, naiintindihan natin yung nagkasagutan, yung nagpapalitan ng suggestion, yung tones ng konti, pero yung murahan, yung ad hominem, yun yung medyo parang specialist sa stature nila. That's not right. So, I'm hoping, or maybe the PBA would call them for a discussion, to stay professional. To stay, kumbaga, you can always say your opinion, but yun lang. Yung murahan is, that should be off the limit, especially with the crowd. But kilala natin kasi yung dalawa eh. Both of them are very passionate. Pero mas okay na rin to kaysa naman love life. Swerte ni Apple, mawawala yung sa kanya, yung usapan sa kanya. But this what happened in game number 4 is making the series interesting and intriguing. Yung storyline mas maganda kasi alam naman natin Ginebra is the bigger team, allegedly sila yung mas malaking pera, mas maraming gumastos, and hindi naman magpapabuli ang rain or shine. Kumbaga independent teams no? Hindi basta-basta magpapabuli, lalo na si Coach Engao. 'Di ba? So sa akin siguro, sa tingin ko lang pagkagising ni Coach Engao, ni Sir Al Francis Chua, when they realized it was emotion, they should have said it in front of everyone. I'm sure they said it. I'm sure they could, tayo kasi pag private, syempre we have emotions, masyado tayong naging totoo sa sarili natin. And there's nothing wrong about being real to ourselves. But, the public are looking, and it doesn't, kumbaga, hindi magandang reflection yon. Pag nakalusot ito at walang nangyari, pwede palang murahin yung kabila. Pwede palang ganito. So, it's not good. But hopefully, itong init, nakakaya sa mga players to. Kasi kung yung governor mo, yung coach mo, handang murahan, makipag-initan sa kabilang team, kung ikaw player, talagang mape-pressure ka rin. Talagang lalo kang mag-iinit. So, para sa akin guys, this is gonna be more intense yung game number 5. And honestly, I do not wanna pick side. I know that there's something that happened that shouldn't have happened, and the PBA should address this. And stay professional because this is a professional league, di ba? Sa akin, walang problema yan. I mean, it's good because more of this type of things, maraming mapag-uusapan ng mga media, mga vloggers, gaya namin, And unfortunately, in this world, yung mga mali, yung mga ganitong usapan, yan pa yung mga nagtitrending, yan pa yung mga gustong pag-usapan ng mga tao. All right? So again, we appreciate passion and we appreciate the PBA being competitive. And I certainly appreciate rain or shine kahit Ginebra ako because they're fighting and hindi sila din nagpapabuli. And 2-2 against the mighty Ginebra. All right? So again, I'm not here to tell you who's wrong or who's right. I'm here to tell you that something was wrong, nangyari na shouldn't have happened. But it is what it is. Ang sa akin lang, the PBA should also do something about this. Yun, no? Sa Game 5, sa tingin ko ang team na magbibigay ang mas na uhaw or mas na umapoy sa game number 4, sila yung mananalo. Sa tingin ko lang And I think siguro from the outside, nagulat tayo, pero sila dyan, kilala naman nila isa't isa eh. And they work with each other for a long time. I'm sure after the game, after the series, may magkakabati, magkakausap yan. But, that's beside the point. This thing shouldn't happen, especially in public. If they don't like each other and there's something that's wrong, there are proper courses din naman. So, like what I said, kaya nga tinanong ko kung tama ba yung ginawa ni ni Yang Giao because he's also kind of siyempre, alpha male. Yeah, ba't mo ko nakausap? 'Di ba? Parang I mean, it doesn't really solve anything there. And Al Francis siya may intimidate pa. I mean, I'm just saying that although again, may point lahat eh. Kasi kung hindi mo sasabihin gano'n, baka hindi rin tumigil, matakot yung referee, lugi nga naman. All I can say is that I'm loving the passion of each of the teams. I'm loving the passion of Al Francis Chua and Coach Yang Giao. Huwag lang sana magmurahan. Di ba? Yun sa akin. Pag ako nakipagdebate, pangit eh. Pag nagmumurahan na, ibig sabihin, natatalo na sa debate. Di ba? Let me know what you think in the comment section. What's your POV? But that's my POV, guys. Let me know. And I'll see you again in my next video.